All right, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to use an elimination in order to solve a system of equations. Remember, the solution is where the two lines meet. So these are two lines in the system of equation, and we're going to use elimination in this example to solve it. Now, one reason why you might want to use elimination is you notice that you have a variable and its opposite in the second equation. So this is a good opportunity for us to use elimination to solve. So here's how you use elimination. Write the two equations on top of one another, just like this. And I always line up the variables with the like terms next to each other. So the x's over the x's and the y's on top of the y's. And then the numbers next to the numbers like that, because I can only combine like terms. So I'm going to combine these two equations together. So x plus 7x's is 8x's. A y plus a negative y is nothing, so we don't have any more y's left. And then a 1 plus a negative 8, or sorry, a negative 9 is equal to negative 8. Okay. And then from here, we could just go ahead and solve. So I'm going to undo any addition or subtraction, which we don't have anymore. We have this multiplication, so I'm going to undo the multiplication by dividing by 8. Remember, if you have a whole number in front of the variable, just divide to get rid of the number in front. And to be fair, I'm going to divide on the other side as well. All right, so x, since we only have 1 left on this side, 8 divided by 8 is 1, equals negative 8 divided by 8 is negative 1. Okay, so we know that every x is going to be worth negative 1. Now, the second part, remember, is to find out what the y value is equal to. So you could choose any one of these variables, equations. I'm going to choose the first one. It looks pretty simple to plug the negative 1 into. So x plus y equals negative 1. Well, we know the x is worth negative 1. So all I did is replace the x with that negative 1 there. Now I'm going to go ahead and solve. So I'm going to undo any addition or subtraction first. So let's undo this adding negative 1. So I'm going to actually just add 1. And I'm going to be left with, well, this is going to cancel itself out. And I have y equals 1 plus 1 is 2. All right. So your solution to the system is negative 1 comma 2. That's where the two lines are going to meet. All right, so just to kind of recap, anytime you see where you have a variable and its opposite kind of lined up like that, a good idea would be to use elimination. Remember, put the x's over the x's, the y's over the y's, and the numbers over the numbers, and then you combine by adding. So you're adding what's up here and down there. So a positive y plus a negative y is going to give us no more y's left. That's why there's none in this step right here.